Hey, great party.
Yes, amazing party.
Do you know the host?
Yes, he is my friend.
Mine too. Small world.
Very small.
What is your name?
My name is Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
How do you know Tom?
We went to school together.
Really, me too.
Which year did you graduate?
In 2018.
Me too. Same year.
Incredible. I don't remember you.
It was a big school.
True, very big school.
Where did you sit?
Always in the back.
Me too. Always back.
We were probably neighbors.
Maybe we were.
Are you from here?
Yes, born and raised.
Me too, same area.
Which neighborhood?
Greenwood, near the park.
I know that area.
Do you live nearby now?
Yes, 10 minutes away.
I live very close too.
Great neighborhood, right?
Yes, love it there.
Very safe and clean.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, downtown office.
What do you do?
I am an accountant.
Interesting and busy?
Yes, very busy always.
I am a photographer.
Oh, that is cool.
I love my job.
Do you shoot events?
Yes, events in portraits.
Maybe you can shoot this party.
Huh, good idea actually.
Tom would love that.
I will ask him later.
He will say, yes,
Do you like your job?
yes, numbers are fun.
Numbers, really?
Yes, really.
I was bad at math.
I can help you.
Ha, too late now.
Never too late.
You are right, actually.
Always keep learning.
Good attitude.
Thank you, Chris.
Is the food good here?
Yes, very delicious.
What did you try?
The salad is amazing.
I love salad.
And the fruit platter.
Oh, where is it?
Near the window, look.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
The cake is great too.
I love cake.
Chocolate cake, very good.
My favorite.
Mine too.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little bit.
Let's get some food.
Yes, great idea.
After you.
Thank you, very kind.
Do you know many people here?
A few, not many.
Me neither, just Tom.
Now we know each other.
Exactly. Good start.
Best part of parties.
Meeting new people.
Yes, always interesting.
I agree completely.
You seem very friendly.
Thank you. You too.
Easy to talk to.
Same, very easy.
Do you come to many parties?
Sometimes on weekends.
Me too, not too often.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly right.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I love hiking.
Hiking is wonderful.
Do you hike too?
Yes, every weekend.
Which trails do you like?
Green Valley Trail mostly.
Oh, I know that trail,
It is beautiful there.
especially in the morning.
Early morning is best.
We should hike together.
Yes, this weekend maybe?
Saturday works for me.
Saturday's perfect.
What time?
7 in the morning?
Early bird. I like it.
Fresh air, no crowds.
Best time to go.
It is a plan then.
Yes, confirmed.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, I run daily.
Morning or evening?
Always in the morning.
Me too, same time.
Maybe we run same route.
Ha, maybe we do.
This is unbelievable.
So many things in common.
It is funny, right?
Very funny and nice.
Tom introduced us indirectly.
Yes, through this party.
Best party ever then.
Ha, yes for us.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, Chris Photo 22.
I will follow you now.
I followed you back.
Great, now connected.
Do you post often?
Sometimes, not too much.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I love photography too,
Really? Do you shoot?
just with my phone.
Phone cameras are great now.
Yes, very good quality.
Maybe I teach you sometime.
Really? That would be great.
Yes, with pleasure.
You are very generous.
We are friends now.
Yes, new good friends.
Tom will be happy.
Ha, yes he will.
Should we find him?
Yes, let's say hello.
And thank him too.
For bringing us together.
Ha, exactly.
Let's go find Tom.
Lead the way, Nick.
This was a great talk.
Best conversation tonight.
See you Saturday, Chris.
See you Saturday. Bye.
Bye. Take care.